Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Paychex Flex for quarterly payroll tax deposits. Complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the official Paychex Flex website. Locate the register or sign up button on the home page. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. Enter your business email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the required security criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the provided field. Fill in the necessary information about your business. This may include your business name, address, and contact information. Select your business type from the drop-down menu. Provide your federal employer identification number, or EIN. Review and accept the terms and conditions of the service. Click on the Create Account or Register button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a confirmation email from Paychex. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the Paychex Flex login page. Enter your email address and password to log in. Navigate to the Payroll section of the dashboard. Select the option for quarterly payroll tax deposits. Follow the prompts to enter your payroll information for the quarter. Review your entries for accuracy before submission. Proceed to finalize your payroll tax deposit. Keep a record of your transaction confirmation for future reference. Log out of your account securely once your tasks are complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.